Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting journey. Today we're going on an adventure to a city that's close to my heart. A place that holds a special charm and allure even though it's miles away from my Hollywood life. We're heading to a destination that promises a blend of history, culture and modernity. Get ready to explore Faridkot, a hidden gem nestled in the heart of Punjab, India. This city is not just a dot on the map, it's a treasure trove of experiences. This city is full of surprises, from its fascinating history to its vibrant culture. Every corner of Faridkot tells a story, every street has a tale to share. Faridkot is a city that truly embodies the spirit of Punjab. The bustling streets, the colourful festivals and the warm-hearted people make it a place like no other. It's a place where tradition meets progress. Here you'll see modern buildings standing tall next to traditional houses, a perfect blend of the old and the new. You'll find age-old customs blending seamlessly with modern amenities. The traditional Punjabi dance, the mouth-watering street food and the modern conveniences all coexist harmoniously. It's a city that will captivate your senses and leave you with unforgettable memories. The picturesque views, the smiling faces of the locals and the vibrant atmosphere will stay with you long after you leave. Get ready to be charmed by the warmth of its people, the rhythm of its music, and the stories whispered by its ancient walls. The traditional music performances and the rich history of the old buildings add to the city's charm. Faridkot is waiting to welcome you with open arms. Let's begin our journey and uncover the hidden treasures of this enchanting city. Imagine a map of India. Now let your fingers trace a path towards the northwest, where the vibrant state of Punjab lies. Right there, in the southwestern region of Punjab, you'll find the charming city of Faridkot. It's located near the border of Punjab and Haryana, another beautiful state in India. Faridkot is like a connecting point between these two states. If you're a fan of coordinates, Faridkot is situated at approximately 30.67 degrees north latitude and 74.75 degrees east longitude. But coordinates aside, just remember that Faridkot enjoys a prime location in the heart of Punjab. And hey, getting there is a breeze. Faridkot is well connected by roads and railways, making it easily accessible from major cities in Punjab and beyond. Every city has a story to tell, and Faridkot's story begins way back in the 16th century. This city, nestled in the heart of Punjab, India, has a rich tapestry of history woven into its very fabric. A revered Sufi saint named Faridud laid the foundation of this beautiful city. His teachings and spiritual influence have left an indelible mark on the region. In fact, the name Faridkot itself translates to the Fort of Farid, a tribute to its founder. The ancient fort still stands today, a testament to the city's enduring legacy. Faridud was known for his wisdom and compassion, qualities that have been passed down through generations. His spirit seems to permeate the city even today. The peaceful streets and calm urban environment reflect the serenity he once preached. The people of Faridkot are known for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. Visitors often speak of the genuine kindness and friendliness they encounter here. But Faridkot's historical significance doesn't end there. The city is a treasure trove of ancient buildings and landmarks that tell stories of a bygone era. This city has deep connections to Sikhism, a prominent religion in Punjab. The spiritual aura of the city is palpable. With several gurdwaras dotting its landscape, you'll find several historical sites linked to the Sikh gurus, making it an important destination for Sikh pilgrims. These sites are not just places of worship, but also repositories of history and culture. Faridkot has also witnessed India's struggle for freedom from British rule. The city was a hotbed of revolutionary activities and played a significant role in the independence movement. The city played a role in various movements during that era, showcasing the resilient spirit of its people. The legacy of these freedom fighters continues to inspire the current generation. Get ready to experience the vibrant culture of Punjab in Faridkot. This city is not just a place, it's a living, breathing canvas of traditions and celebrations. From the moment you step into Faridkot, you'll be greeted with the warm smiles of its people and the vibrant colors that define its essence. The market streets are always bustling with activity, offering a sensory overload of sights, sounds and smells. The colorful traditional attire worn by the locals adds to the charm, making every corner of the city a photographer's paradise. And let's not forget the street food stalls that serve an array of mouth-watering Punjabi delicacies. Sikhism has a strong presence here, and you'll find numerous gurdwaras dotting the cityscape. These sacred places are not just religious landmarks, but also architectural marvels that offer a serene escape from the city's hustle and bustle. The devotion and spirituality that fill these spaces are palpable, making them a must-visit. The city truly comes alive during festivals like Baisakhi, Diwali, and Gurpurabs. Each festival brings its own unique flavor and energy, transforming the city into a vibrant tapestry of lights, music, and joy. The streets are filled with people in traditional attire celebrating with unmatched enthusiasm. Imagine streets adorned with lights, the air filled with the sounds of drums and devotional music, and people dressed in their finest attire. It's a sensory feast that captures the very essence of Punjabi culture and hospitality. It's a sight to behold. The energy and enthusiasm are contagious, making you want to join in the celebrations and experience the joy firsthand. Speaking of music, Faridkot pulsates to the rhythm of traditional Punjabi folk music. The melodies and beats are not just heard but felt, resonating through the streets and into your soul. Get ready to tap your feet to the energetic beats of Bhangra and Gidda, traditional dance forms that are an integral part of Punjabi culture. These dances are not just performances, they are expressions of joy, community, and heritage. And if you're a foodie, Faridkot won't disappoint. The local markets are a haven for food lovers, offering a variety of traditional Punjabi dishes that are sure to tantalize your taste buds. From delicious butter chicken to sweet and savory lassi, your taste buds are in for a treat. The culinary delights of Faridkot are a testament to the rich and diverse food culture of Punjab, making every meal an unforgettable experience. Section 5. The Land of Golden Harvests. Faridkot is located in a region blessed with fertile land. It's no wonder that agriculture is the backbone of its economy. As you travel through the outskirts of the city, you'll be greeted by vast fields stretching as far as the eye can see. The farmers of Faridkot work tirelessly to cultivate a variety of crops. The region is known for its production of wheat, rice, cotton, and sugarcane. In fact, Punjab is often called the breadbasket of India, and Faridkot plays a significant role in this title. While agriculture remains the primary economic activity, Faridkot is also witnessing growth in other sectors. Industries related to textiles, food processing, and manufacturing are slowly emerging, creating new opportunities for the people. Section 6. Shaping Young Minds. Faridkot is committed to providing quality education to its youth. The city is home to several schools, colleges, and institutions offering education in various fields. From science and technology to arts and humanities, students have access to a wide range of academic disciplines. One of the prominent educational institutions in Faridkot is Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College. This college plays a crucial role in shaping the next generation of engineers and technologists. The government is also making efforts to promote skill development and vocational training programs. These initiatives aim to equip the youth with the necessary skills to succeed in a competitive job market. Section 7. Exploring Faridkot's landmarks. No trip to Faridkot is complete without exploring its historical and architectural gems. One such landmark that will transport you back in time is Qila Mubarak. This magnificent fort, built in the 16th century, stands tall as a testament to the city's rich past. Imagine walking through its grand gateways, exploring its courtyards, and marveling at its intricate architectural details. For those seeking spiritual solace, Faridkot has numerous gurdwaras that are worth a visit. Gurdwara Sri Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Gurdwara Sri Darbara Sahib are two prominent Sikh temples that attract devotees from far and wide. These gurdwaras are not just places of worship, but also community centres where people gather to share meals, celebrate festivals, and offer their services. Section 8. Faridkot Today, a city on the move. Faridkot is a city that beautifully blends tradition with modernity. While it cherishes its heritage, it's also embracing progress and development. In recent years, Faridkot has witnessed significant improvements in its infrastructure. The roads have been widened, transportation facilities have been enhanced, and healthcare services have been upgraded. The city is also making strides in areas like sanitation, waste management, and renewable energy. Efforts are underway to make Faridkot a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable city. The government is playing an active role in promoting development projects and attracting investments to boost the local economy. Section 9. Experience the magic of Faridkot. As our journey through Faridkot comes to an end, I hope I've been able to give you a glimpse of what makes this city so special. Faridkot is more than just a dot on the map. It's an experience. It's the warmth of its people, the rhythm of its music, the flavors of its food, and the stories etched into its walls. It's a city that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. So if you're looking for an off-the-beaten-path destination that offers a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity, Faridkot should be at the top of your list. Come, experience the magic of Faridkot.